Alex, wake up, honey.
5 more minutes, Emma.
No, get up and make coffee. Alex, hurry up. I need the bathroom.
Almost done.
Look at your nose. You have toothpaste on it.
Oh, no! Breakfast is ready. Eggs and toast.
Thank you, honey. It smells amazing.
What are you writing?
The shopping list. Don't forget, we need milk and coffee. Should I wear this blue shirt?
It is very cold today, Alex.
Oh, really? What should I wear then?
Take your brown jacket, too. You'll need it. Wait, Alex, stop.
What's wrong? I'm late.
You forgot your car keys and wallet again.
Oh, thank you, honey. You are the best.
Okay, we are here. Do you have the list?
Yes, I have it in my hand.
Great. What is the first thing?
We need some fresh milk and eggs. Look, Alex, coffee is on sale.
Wow! The very last one.
We need 6 red apples.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Do we need this large milk carton?
No, a small carton is enough.
Let's check the eggs.
Perfect. None of them are broken. Can I pay with my card?
Yes, you can. Thank you.
I am hungry. Let's eat at a restaurant.
Great idea. I am hungry too. Hello. A table for 2?
Yes, please. Near the window.
What do you want to eat, Emma?
I want a big burger. And you?
I think I will have the chicken pasta. Ready to order?
Another?
1 pasta and 1 burger, please. I am very hungry.
Me too. The food smells delicious.
Here is your food. Enjoy!
Thank you very much.
Wow, this burger is amazing.
This pasta is perfect too.
Check, please. Here you go, sir. Thank you. Keep the change.
That was a great dinner.
Yes. Let's go home now.